Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing tool deals to share with you. We're going to start out at Woot. We're going to hit Home Depot. We're going to slide by Amazon. We're going to check out eBay. Covering all the bases today. Everything will be linked down below. For this first deal, got to give a big thanks to Ron for giving me a heads up on this one. If you want to share an amazing deal with me, you can email me, pj@struckleville.net. So for this deal, it is the DeWALT DCF887B, so it's a bare tool, 20-volt cordless, brushless, 3-speed impact driver. Now, this model is several years old, but it's the XR lineup that's top-tier DeWALT, and when this was released, it was like the go-to. This was their thing. So still fully capable a few years later. It's down to just $59.99, and you look at the original price of $149.99, and first instinct may be like, yeah, what the hell? It's not worth $149.99. But then if we go to my website here and we look at the comparables, Lowe's currently sells it right now for $149. Home Depot has it right now for $139. So if you're in the need for an impact driver, or think you may need one in the near future, or maybe you got a buddy with some DeWALT tools, $59.99, free shipping is a really good deal. Now, here's the other thing. They have a whole page of new DeWALT deals that Woot just posted. So this link right here, this one right here, has the entire page, and it looks a little something like this. There's a lot of stuff here. Some has sold out, but for the most part, things are still in stock. A couple of different combo kits that are a pretty decent deal, like $259 for this guy getting 4 tools, 2 2-amp-hour batteries. This guy here, you're getting the 4.5-inch circular saw with the 1.7 amp-hour power stack battery. I'm kind of on the fence on that one. I don't know what I personally would do with the 4.5-inch circular saw. I don't think I have a lot of uses for it, but I kind of want to try it because I've never used it. Here we have a compact reciprocating saw, just $82.99. The jigsaw, $94.99. The biscuit joiner, something we don't see a whole lot of discounts on, $109.99. Little 2-tool blower and weed whacker combo. Looks like you're getting a 4-amp-hour battery to go with that for $215. The impact wrench, $105.99. That's 3/8 drive. We just posted yesterday the 1/2-inch of basically the same tool as a Amazon deal. I believe it was $120. You go to the homepage of the website, you'll see that still listed there. You have the brushless drill, $77.99. So there's a ton of stuff to look through depending on what you are in need of. So definitely take a look at that page, see if you can find anything. We're going to move on to a Home Depot deal here. We have the rigid 6.5-inch circular saw blade 2-piece. It is $12.97, normally $26. And if you were to go on Home Depot's website and look up just an individual blade, one of these, it's $12.97 for one. Free shipping, $12.97. So essentially a buy one, get one free here. If you have 6.5-inch circular saw of some type, be a good deal for you. Now, this Amazon deal, we have the Survival Kit, 17-in-1 Survival Gear by Verify Gear, normally $30, but the Amazon item detail page has a 50% coupon right now, so you're only going to pay $14.99, and for $15, look at all you're getting. This little thing is, I believe, a little Mylar emergency blanket thing. They always throw those in because they're compact, light, and probably very cheap to make. Comes in a handy-dandy case. You get the little paracord bracelet. You get a carabiner. You get the little credit card tool. You got a spork with a knife on it. Boy, that looks like it'd be dangerous to hold. Couldn't you just see yourself slicing yourself open holding that thing? You got a pocket knife. You got the little chain saw thing. The little cable saw. I really want to try one of those. Only once, though, because it's probably not fun, but it would be interesting to cut one branch. Just give me one branch. Pine branch. Pine. Got a compass. You got the tactical pen. You get a flashlight. I mean, that is a lot for $14.99. So, look, you buy one, you start handing out Christmas presents for days. Look, you get a knife. You get a spork. You get a flashlight. You get a pen. You get a carabiner. See, $14.99. Amazing deal there. Now, over on eBay, I wanted to call your attention to this. I know we've talked about it. It's like an ongoing sale for Tools Direct, and of course it's all returns or things that may be missing packaging or something like that, but the core tool still intact. Of course, you can return it if you have any problems with that. I bought a lot of stuff from them, had really good luck. Only one thing that had any kind of damage. But right now, 30% off all the prices that you see, and the main reason I was looking at it last night or 2 nights ago, and it seems like they restocked a lot of stuff. They're up to like 350 things, and the last time I looked at it, it was well below that. I think 2 something. So definitely worth checking out. And they're always replenishing it, and this sale seems to be going on forever, like nonstop. So worth taking a look, see if you can find anything. Back to Amazon, we have the headlamp, high lumen, ultra bright, 5 LED headlamp, USB rechargeable, waterproof headlight flashlight by KJ Land, and it's 50% off. So KJ Land has a few different headlamps that are rechargeable, and we see the promo codes relatively often. At least that's what I had thought. It's always either 40% or 50%, so we're at the higher of the 2 possible discounts they give you. But when I was going to update this product page, I noticed that I hadn't posted it since June. So I thought, people come and go, people miss deals, maybe people want a second one, whatever comes up. I really should probably repost this. So $22, 50% off. You're going to pay $11. Comes with the batteries, of course, rechargeable, and it's got a lot of really good reviews. The text link here actually had a second option. As far as I can tell, the only difference with the second option is it was like a gold or yellow band instead of the silvery chrome bands right here. So I don't think, really the item has any difference at all. One other thing that I wanted to point out. See, if you look at the popular deals, I didn't pull this post up. I guess I could, but I won't. You can see it at the top. We have the 30% off at Harbor Freight for this weekend only. So everyone on the Harbor Freight email list already got the email on that a couple of days ago. But they have 3 different coupons out right now. It's 30% off items under 20, and then 15% off 20 to 50, and then 10% off over 50. And that's good for this weekend only. And of course, that page has all the other 100 or so Harbor Freight coupons that are available right now. So that's at the top of the most popular deals list over the last 24 hours. Here we have a tire repair kit with plugs, tire patch kit for tubeless tire puncture. This is by Pubers. It's 30% off, starts out at $11.99, so you end up paying about $8 or so. Handy dandy little case. The main thing I really like, because you can get these little plugs anywhere, and they're not expensive. They're a couple of dollars or whatever. But if you ever buy the kits, the tools that come with the kit suck so bad. They are just terrible. I remember repairing a punctured tire, and the hole was like enough that it's leaking, but not real big. Like, it had to get reamed out pretty good to be able to get one of these in there, and using the stupid little cheap ass screwdriver handle thing that they give you, it just sucked. I hated it. And that was before I had a kit like this where they give you the nice T handle, which makes it much easier. And to me, the kit's worth it just having this T-handle. And then it's got a little set screw on the side so you can put in the reamer or the little, whatever they call the insert tool. Looks like a hook rug tool. So $11.99 down to $8. And I just like it for the tool, the case. You can put the case under your seat or something. Keep it in your trunk. Tire inflator, air compressor, cordless with 20-volt rechargeable batteries. This is by Astro AI. I do have to give you a little bit of a disclaimer. I wasn't planning on doing this video. The Woot thing came up, and I thought it was a good enough deal that I need to give you guys a heads up and let you know about it. So I thought, well, while we're here, it'd be a waste to, let's throw some other things in here. But I posted all of these yesterday, and you guys know promo codes can be killed at any time for any reason. So if you see something you like, you buy it now. You don't wait till later. If you wait till later, you're a big crybaby with tyranny, your dog hates you, and he'll bite you in the nuts while you're sleeping. So if you don't want to be bitten in the nuts while you're sleeping, then you buy it now. You don't wait till later. So you know that, but I didn't have a chance to check these beforehand because I got to skedaddle here in a second. $49.99, 50% promo code, and a 15% coupon, so it's 65% off. It's going to be under $20. Astro AI has been around for several years. I have the corded version of their inflator. They sent it to me back in 2018 or 2019, something like that. So this is cordless, a little bit different, but I still have the corded version and use it once in a while. I do like that Milwaukee M12 though. But a really good price if you are in the market for an inflator. 450-piece solder seal wire connectors, marine grade heat shrink connectors, waterproof, insulated by Basankala. 60% off. So normally $20, 450 pieces, it's okay. The solder seal, although the prices have been coming down because it used to be pretty expensive, or comparatively to like just a crimp connector, they're coming down a little bit, but 50% off, and then a 10% coupon, 60% off. You're under $10. It's really good for 450 pieces. I was just using these 2 days ago. If you watch the second channel, we're doing a little Barbie scarecrow, and I got a vehicle, little Power Wheels. It's going to be Barbie's vehicle, and I wanted to add some solar headlights to it. So anyways, we had to do some minor wiring. It's nothing fancy or anything, but was using these connectors, worked beautifully, fast and easy, held up great. I'm a big fan of the solder seal. Compact router, 800 watt router, woodworking, 6.5 amp, 1.25 horsepower. Hand edge trimmer by Silvel. It's 50% off. Now, this is the interesting thing. It has 45 reviews and 4.5 out of 5 Tom pinch belts. You're getting the router, and you're getting a bunch of bits. There's 15 bits that you're getting with that. Now, those are 1/4-inch bits. So it started out at $60, which to me, that's not even a bad price for that. But then we're taking 50% off, so you're under $30. You're paying like $29 and change. But then here's like the whole caveat to the whole damn thing. Routers spin very fast. This is 30,000 RPM. I don't know if I trust my face and other limbs to a $29 product that spins that fast with essentially a blade on the end of it. I don't know. I might need to spring for some like bulletproof glass to put between me and the router. Definitely a safety glasses kind of tool. Not a big safety glasses guy, but I have been hit by shrapnel from a router. So now, safety glasses. That spins too damn fast. I like having sight. So but it has 45 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 champions of bells. So that's really cheap. I worry just a little bit. Probably more about the bits themselves than the router. Because what's the router going to do? It's not going to fly off. I guess the collet could loosen up and maybe, but the whole thing's not going to go flying. Then you're worried about shrapnel. Shrapnel's the problem. So maybe not the bits. Resell the bits. Or give them a shot. Keep them slow. I don't know. Just be aware. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to have all the links down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. By the way, I hit a nail that I didn't know was in there. That's why it went ping! Holy shit. Thanks for watching.